What's going on, everybody? Chuck here with the channel Dadding All Day. You can check out my channel down in the description box below, and if you feel so inclined, subscribe to it if you want. I do a little bit different lawn care type stuff on that channel, some lawn care related short films, and just a different take on DIY lawn care at times. So if you want to check that out, it would mean a lot to me. Now, we are here at my project brother-in-law. Over on my channel last fall, we did a no-kill reno on this lawn, basically meaning we didn't put any glyphosate, nothing. We just sort of scalped it down to the dirt, overseeded, fertilized, and it's actually turned out really, really well. There are some weeds popping up here, but that is to be expected because we did not apply a pre-emergent. He didn't want to do that. He's just going to handle the weeds as they appear, but compared to what this lawn looked like last year, it is a complete 180. It looks fantastic. And so it is now time, it is April 7th as of recording. And so we're gonna apply his first fertilizer of the season, and we are going to be using 16-21-2 Green Pop. Cool thing about the N-Ext line of products is there is no wrong answer. If you want your first fertilizer application to be 1801 Green Punch, use 1801 Green Punch. If you want to use a combination of 1801 Green Punch and 700 Green Effect, have at it. There's no wrong answer here. Like I said, for this first application, we're gonna be using the 16-21-2 Green Pop, and the reason we're going with Green Pop is because it has a little bit of everything. You get 16% nitrogen, 21% phosphorus, which is, you don't really need much phosphorus throughout the season, so that 21% is gonna be fantastic. You have the 2% potassium, but then on top of that, we're gonna hit it with the microgreens, with the 002 microgreens, so he's gonna get all those micro goodies that are there. We're also gonna do the RGS to help get the roots diving down deep, developing some mass, so that way as we go into the summer, because we are doing the 4 applications during the year, it really could use the help in the root system. I'm also gonna come with some aerate and humic 12, so I'm basically gonna do the biostim pack with the 16-21-2 Green Pop. I should just call it Green Pop. If you're wondering what's the minimum I should have, it's the 16-21-2 Green Pop or the 1801 Green Punch with the biostim pack. That way you're getting your full fertilizer, and then you're getting all the soil stuff, all the stuff underneath the soil, with the RGS, the aerate, the humic, and the microgreen. So we're gonna do all that on this lawn. He's got about 2,300 square feet of space that we're gonna be applying this to. And yeah. So let's just go ahead and get to mixing. So to change things up and to show the versatility of these products, in this video, I'm gonna be using my backpack, my battery-powered backpack sprayer. The last time I was on the channel, you saw me use a different type of hose and sprayer. You've seen a lot of people use the orthodilane sprayers on this channel, but I wanna show you can use your backpack sprayer. You just have to be a little bit mindful on how you're mixing stuff. General rule of thumb, don't mix any more, especially something that's like this, your typical backpack sprayer. Don't mix more than 2 of these products together. So like for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna do the Green Pop and the RGS together. I'm gonna do the humic and the microgreen together. It does make it take a little bit longer, but that just helps you just in case things start to clump. You can also just apply more water and really dilute it a little bit more, because especially if you're using a backpack spray, you're not getting the proper dilution ratios. So you're really gonna have to make sure you water this in if you're using a backpack sprayer versus if you were using an orthodilane sprayer or the hose and sprayers I used in the last video. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, you're gonna use 15 ounces per 1,000 of the Green Pop. I'm gonna do 10 ounces per 1,000 on the microgreen. I'm going to be using 3 ounces per 1,000 of the RGS. And on the humic, I'm gonna be using 6 ounces. Did I say 13 or 3? 3 ounces per 1,000 on the RGS and 6 ounces per 1,000 of the humic 12. I already have my backpack sprayer filled with about 1.5 gallons of water. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all the way up to the 4 gallons, even though I don't need 4 gallons. I'd use 2.3 gallons, right? But anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and get to mixing. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Simple enough, right? And like I said, this is my own opinion. Other creators that post on this channel, you know, they may use 1801 Greene Punch, they may use some other combination of N-Ext products for their first spring fertilizer application. I just prefer to use the Green Pop with the microgreen because you're getting all the goodies. You're getting sort of a well-rounded application with your 16% nitrogen, your 21% phosphorus, and your 2% potassium, and then you also get another 2% potassium in the microgreen. And then you're getting all the soil goodies with the RGS and the humic and the microgreen. So it's like, in my opinion, it's a good, well-rounded fertilizer to apply for your first spring application. An appendix, if you will, I'm back at my house, but I forgot to say this before I signed off. It is vitally important that you water in this application. This is not 700 Green Effect, which is a foliar application. This stuff needs to get down into the soil. So even if you're using a hose and sprayer that has a heavier dilution rate, you still need to water in, especially if you're using a backpack sprayer, because you're not getting dilution that is preferred by the N-Ext by Greene County Fertilizer. So make sure you water this in. I told my brother-in-law that. He had the sprinklers going as I was leaving, so just keep that in mind. Now back to his house. Anyway, that is it for this video. Please like, subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. And yeah, anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. God bless.